Very good day to all from Laduma Hardware. Today we would like to discuss various types of saws. Saws are distributed by various suppliers and manufacturers. Okay, the first saw on our list is the bow saw. The bow saw is a metal frame crosscut saw in the shape of a bow with a coarse, wide blade, as you can see here. It is a rough tool that can be used for cross-cutting branches or firewood up to 150 mm in diameter. Its blades teeth are angled backward with a beveled edge, and while cutting on both the push and the pull strokes for a clean and accurate notch. Okay, right, the next saw on our list is the back saw. The back saw is any hand saw which has a stiffening rib on the edge opposite the cutting edge, enabling better control and more precise cutting with other types of saws. Back saws are normally used in woodworking for precise work, such as cutting dovetails, miters, or tenons in cabinetry and joinery. Next one on our list is Prunicians. Prunicians we have a variety of, all for the same purpose. Pruning saw is a tool with the same sharp teeth as saws used for cutting lumber, but pruning saws are intended for trimming leaf shrubs and trees. There are many types of pruning saws, each intended for a particular type of branch or stem. Pruning saws are your choice for wood up to 80 mm thick or thicker even. As such, they are used to cut a wide range of large and of wood thickness. Okay, the next one on our list is the hacksaw. Now, as you can see, there's a variety of hacksaws available, colors, shapes, but with exactly the same purpose. The versatility of the bow saw is if for a reason you may have not a hacksaw, you may get a 300 mm hacksaw blade and fit it onto the bow saw. Now the hacksaw is a hand-powered, small-tooth saw used for cutting metal, pipes, rods, and brackets, etc., even for wood. Hacksaws can also cut through the plastics. The hacksaw has a U-shaped frame and a handle at one bend. Install the bi-middle hacksaw blade so the teeth are faced forward. Blades come in three options of TPI, that stands for teeth per inch, 18, 24, and 32. Bi-metal blades for use on unhardened steel only. And now the last one on our list for today is the coping saw. The coping saw serves the same purpose as an electric jigsaw. It has a thin and a narrow blade, which makes it highly controllable and able to cut tight turns in wood and other materials. Coping saws are used by trim carpenters or finishing carpenters to create cope joints, and by woodworkers to create curved shapes and to finish the bottom of dovetail joints. Coping saw blades are always thicker and much coarser than typical blades such as fret saw. Now the next one on our list is the more popular saw when it comes to the construction side. It's either the rib saw or the crosscut saw. Now the difference would be totally between the blade setting. Now crosscut is when you cut across the grain of the wood, and the rib saw is cutting with the grain of the wood. It comes in various lengths depending on the application. Thank you for spending more time with us. Remember to always wear safety gear. For further information, please contact Shane at ladumahardware.org. Until next time, enjoy cutting and stay safe.